Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make shorts for YouTube by using Canva. So here I am on Creator Design and I'm going to search for YouTube and I'm going to select YouTube Shorts. And I'm going to use the template by Canva. I'm going to place my video in this template. Okay, first of all, we will detach the video and delete it, and I'm going to upload my own video. So you see the video is uploading here. Till then, we are going to change the text. Okay, so let's change the text to the text we want. Yes, we will set the text size and adjustments, and our video is ready. I'm going to set this video as a background. Now by pressing the shift key and selecting different items, I'm going to group this element and place it at the bottom. Now let's see what we can do with this. Okay, that looks fine. Now I'm going to place my logo here for Drama Queen. Okay, now let's see how it looks like. Yes, I think it looks fine. Now we can split our video. Yeah, I think this is the point where I want to split. Just by pressing the S key on the keyboard, you can easily split your videos. And I've applied a transition between these two videos. Shorts are really trending on YouTube, and now you can easily earn money by YouTube Shorts. So here you can see how we can easily create YouTube Shorts by using Canva. So I've split my video from different points and I'm going to place different text here. Yes. Now let's edit some more text here. Yes. I will split it once again and apply a different transition here. And I'm going to change the text for the next scene. The sensible elder sister. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, let's see what else we can do with this video. Okay. Now again, I'm going to split the video for a different scene. And basically, I'm going to cut this short scene here. Yes, so you see I've splitted the video and delete the scene. Apply a transition and write my different text, the Basanti. And I'm going to search for emojis here. And so many emojis available. I'm going to use this one. Yes, that's perfect. And you see how easily you can create videos by using Canva. Yes, our video is completed. You can easily download this video in HD from Canva and upload it on your YouTube channel. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.